Rochelle. Y'all, my edges are filling in. Okay, you see all this? Hold on. Look, you guys. You guys told me I was terrible at doing my edges, so I grew my own. So thank you everybody for popping in today. Today's beautiful wig is sponsored by OMGHerHair, and she is already on Shakwapala and she is serving, and don't look at her eyeballs. Like I said, when I put eyelashes on her, for some reason I used eyelash glue and not like craft hobby glue, so it's a mess. It's a mess and the hair gets stuck on it, whatever. The wig is gorgeous. And guess what? They done did it again, y'all. She looks like a regular wig, but no. Okay, this is a 3D dome wig. These are the best wigs. They take 2 seconds to put on and install. I love these wigs so much. So before I get into this gorgeous wig, let me tell you what I've been doing to grow my edges. All right, so if y'all have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I never wear ponytails. Why? Because of my manly hairline. My father gave me an M-shaped hairline, and it has been the bane of my existence since the 7th grade, right? So I've been taking really good care of my hair for the longest, and while my hair is all thick and healthy and wonderful thanks to the henna indigo treatments, the hairline, bro. So let me tell you what I did. Minoxidil, okay? And this bottle is almost done. This is my 2nd bottle. So I found these at Walmart and they were on the bottom shelf, and I had just been doing some research, and the one thing that really stopped me from trying this is they say that once you stop the treatment, all the hair that you grew from using the treatment will just fall out. Well, that's fine with me because I never had hair on my edges, okay? You think I'm playing with you? Look at this video. Where are the edges? So there is a difference. I see a difference. Two bottles, only on 2 bottles. Actually, this one is about dead, so I'm about to start my 3rd bottle. It's crazy how well this works, and I could have been wearing ponytails when I was in high school. Wasted time. All right, let's keep it on topic. I have reviewed these 3D dome cap wigs now at least 3 or 4 different times. I have the curly version. I have a couple of curly versions of these 3D dome cap wigs. It's like the only thing I wear. When I tell you I leave the house, I toss this bad boy on in less than a minute. No adhesive, no glues, no nothing, just bam. That speaks to my heart, okay, as a lazy hair girl. To my soul. So let me tell you about this wig. She came pre-plucked and pre-bleached and pre-cut, all right? She's a little crazy right now because I washed her. You have a ton of parting space. This is a 9x6 lace front. Around the perimeter of this wig, we have this stretchable band. It's got this non-slip silicone. It has 1 knit comb and 2 temple combs, and these are removable Velcro. Very sturdy, heavy-duty Velcro, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally popping off and your wig flying. And you're not gonna have to worry about that at all because these bad boys have my favorite part of the wig. You pull this drawstring tight and then you cinch this bad boy up and it's fitted. It's like wearing a fitted cap. It's a fitted cap wig. It is as easy as putting a hat on your head, and it's the greatest invention ever, I swear. I'm gonna show you guys how simple and easy it is to plop this thing, right? Installation time, buddy. So with this wig, you really don't have to do anything extra. You don't have to do ball cap method. You just, you know what, and I'm thinking I'm starting to get away from the ball cap method just because that's what's happened. These wigs have ruined my life to other wigs because they're so easy to plop on. That's it, it's on. So here is what the hairline looks like, and that 9x6, it starts about right here as far as the lace, and it goes all the way over. I'm gonna show you guys that it's on tight. See that recoil? Bang! It's not coming off. Bang! You see what I'm saying? Everybody needs a 10-second wig. Everybody needs a panic wig. A wig that you can just throw on or throw off when you need to. And they come in so many styles. This one is giving breaking news at 11. So we got a 10-second wig on, and when I tell you she looks already fine, just go out the door. Just go run your errands like this. But me, I'm going to do a little bit of styling. I'm probably going to use a little bit of mousse on my hairline and let that set. Mousse will actually also hide this kind of cast that I got from the halo, the same way that a spritz or a spray would, but I want to keep this wig completely glueless, so I'm just going to use mousse and my hairband, and I'm gonna tie that down, and then I'm going to be back for styling.
Take a drag of my cigarette. Breathe me out, breathe you in, yeah. Take a bite of my burger, babe. Save the last bite for you, for you. Ooh. Don't let the street lights eat you all alone.
All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this band, see what we got. It's a little crunchy cord right here. I'm gonna tuck it up under before I start styling because I don't want to curl that. So the possibilities in terms of styling are whatever you want to do. You could wear it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a few curls. Okay, calm down. A few curls, and I'm probably going to be using a lot of this wax spray because this hair, girl, it is 200% density, so it needs to be tamed. I have heat protection, beyond the zone, turn up the heat spray. You can get this from Sally's. It smells so good. And I'm gonna set these curls with some big sexy hairspray. And then I'll be back.
7 years of the perfect love, 7 more and another one, and another one. I think you was the one I loved. 7 wonders all in one, all in one. Don't let the street.
So I'm all done curling. It's got some body in it now. Let me tell you something. That hairspray is the GOAT. So I'm gonna do my best to, you know what? If I comb these curls out and it looks exactly the same. So I'm not gonna do too much with it. I kind of like the way that it's just naturally falling. So I'm gonna use my spray wax to like attempt to get these like flyaways under control. And then I'm going to go back over that with some hairspray so it can stay like that. And I would only use this at the roots. Do not put this on the length of your hair. So you gotta be real careful about your barrel size. I think that is a 3-inch barrel. I cannot be sure. It's probably 2 inches. I'm probably exaggerating. But like I said, just add a couple of curls. You really don't need it because it looks good when it comes out of the package, but it's so much more bouncy now. So this is how my 10-second wig came out. I tell you, if you get one of these, it is gonna ruin you for other glueless wigs. Plopping on your head. When I tell you this don't move and it's on, that drawstring is secure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you OMGHerHair for another banger. I'm gonna link all the information about this particular unit in the description box below. Check out some of the other videos that I have featuring these 3D dome cap wigs from OMGHerHair. Y'all, they got every texture, every length that you could think of. They're all just plop-onable wigs. Anyway, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body.